In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block off times in Calendly on specific days when you're unavailable. This is perfect for vacations, personal days, or any dates when you don't want anyone booking time with you. By the end, your scheduling page will clearly reflect those blocked dates so meetings can't slip in while you're away. First, sign into your Calendly account in your web browser. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account and that your time zone at the top of the page is accurate. That ensures your blocked dates line up with your actual schedule and prevents any accidental openings due to time zone differences. Next, head over to the availability section. This is where Calendly controls your schedule at a high level. Think of availability as your master timetable. Your default weekly hours live here, and this is also where you create exceptions for specific dates. We'll use those exceptions so you don't have to touch your normal weekly schedule. Inside availability, look for the area labeled Date-Specific Hours and click Add. Date-specific hours are ideal for short-term changes, things like a week off, a holiday, or a single day with different hours. Instead of rewriting your whole schedule, you're simply telling Calendly, for these particular dates, do something different. Now select the dates of your vacation. You can click one date, several non-consecutive dates, or a whole range if you're away for multiple days in a row. Double check the month and year at the top of the calendar so you're blocking the correct period. It's a good idea to scan your selections to confirm you've captured the full start and end of your time off. With those dates selected, look at the hours section. To fully block the day, click the X icon to set it to unavailable. That X clears any bookable hours for the dates you chose and ensures no one can schedule an event with you on those days. If you only needed a partial day off, this is where you'd adjust hours. But for a complete break, the X is the quickest and most reliable option. Finally, click Apply to save your changes. You should see those dates marked as unavailable right away. Your scheduling link will respect that immediately, so anyone visiting your page won't see openings on the days you've blocked. If you ever need to adjust or remove these date-specific entries later, you can return to the same availability section and make changes. That's it, your time off is protected and your calendar stays clean and professional while you're away.